Learn English to Khmer, do and.
ធ្វើ
With funny Khmer pronoun practice. Welcome to action time. Hey, you're about to learn one tiny verb that does a ridiculous amount of work. Today, you will practice how to say do in Khmer and laugh a little while your brain becomes unexpectedly efficient. Our star word is do.
ធ្វើ
Think of it as the superhero of everyday action. You do homework, do the dishes, do your best, and occasionally do something so mysterious that even you are not sure why. In Khmer, that core action word is.
ធ្វើ
By the end of this chapter, you will move from simple do to full phrases like
ខ្ញុំធ្វើ
for I do,
អ្នកធ្វើ
for you do, and all the way to group action like
ពួកគេធ្វើ
for they do. The magic verb. Let's start with the base form. Keep it light, say it out loud, and imagine yourself actually doing something useful for once. Do in Khmer is
ធ្វើ
I want to do it today. In Khmer.
ធ្វើ
Can you do this task? In Khmer.
ធ្វើ
We do our work carefully. In Khmer.
ធ្វើ
Memory trick. Imagine a lazy cat putting on glasses, standing at a desk, and saying,
ធ្វើ
like a very serious manager. Who does it? Now we add pronouns. This is where the verb gets dressed up and goes to work with different people. I do is.
ខ្ញុំធ្វើ
You do is.
អ្នកធ្វើ
He does is.
គាត់ធ្វើ
She does is.
នាងធ្វើ
We do is.
យើងធ្វើ
You all do or make is.
អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាធ្វើ
They do is.
ពួកគេធ្វើ
And for something functioning, it works is.
វាដំណើរការ
A very busy day. Let's put all the forms into one funny mini story. Just listen first, then repeat your favorite lines. At 7 in the morning, the alarm rings. I point at my coffee and whisper.
វាដំណើរការ
Because the machine finally works. Then I point at myself like a dramatic hero and say.
ខ្ញុំធ្វើ
I do the dishes. My friend arrives late, holding one sock and 0 excuses. I tell him.
អ្នកធ្វើ
You do the shopping. Our neighbor appears with surprising confidence.
គាត់ធ្វើ
He says, and he fixes the broken chair. Then his sister walks in, sees the mess, laughs once, and says.
នាងធ្វើ
She does the cooking. Soon everybody joins in.
យើងធ្វើ
We say, we do it together. Then I look at the whole group and announce.
អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាធ្វើ
You all do the cleaning. 10 minutes later, the room is spotless. I stare in shock and report to the universe.
ពួកគេធ្វើ
They do miracles. Quick dialogue drill. Now you answer in your head or out loud. If your pet looks worried, that means you are practicing correctly. Who will do it? Answer.
ខ្ញុំធ្វើ
Who does the task? You. Answer.
អ្នកធ្វើ
Who fixes the table? He. Answer.
គាត់ធ្វើ
Who handles the work? She. Answer.
នាងធ្វើ
Who does it together? We. Answer.
យើងធ្វើ
Who does it? All of you. Answer.
អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាធ្វើ
Who does it as a group? They. Answer.
ពួកគេធ្វើ
Did the machine finally function? Answer.
វាដំណើរការ
Tiny grammar without the headache. Good news. This part is short. Even your future self, who hates grammar after lunch, can handle it. In English, the verb changes. I do, you do, he does, she does, we do, they do. In Khmer, the action word often stays stable, and the subject tells you who is doing it. So,
ធ្វើ
is the action, while the person in front changes the meaning.
ខ្ញុំធ្វើ អ្នកធ្វើ គាត់ធ្វើ នាងធ្វើយើងធ្វើពួកគេធ្វើ
That means less memorizing of endings and more time for snacks. Mini quiz of glory. Time for a quick challenge. No pressure. It is just you, your memory, and the dramatic soundtrack in your head. What is do in Khmer? Answer.
ធ្វើ
How do you say I do? Answer.
ខ្ញុំធ្វើ
How do you say you do? Answer.
អ្នកធ្វើ
How do you say he does? Answer.
គាត់ធ្វើ
How do you say she does? Answer.
នាងធ្វើ
How do you say it works? Answer.
វាដំណើរការ
How do you say we do? Answer.
យើងធ្វើ
How do you say you all do? Answer.
អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាធ្វើ
How do you say they do? Answer.
ពួកគេធ្វើ
Your speak along challenge. Now repeat with confidence. If you sound overly dramatic, excellent. Drama helps memory. I do.
ខ្ញុំធ្វើ
You do.
អ្នកធ្វើ
He does.
គាត់ធ្វើ
She does.
នាងធ្វើ
It works.
វាដំណើរការ
We do.
យើងធ្វើ
You all do.
អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាធ្វើ
They do.
ពួកគេធ្វើ
Good job, action hero. You made it. Nicely done, and yes, that was a sneaky chance to think of.
ធ្វើ
One more time. Today you learned do in its everyday Khmer forms.
ធ្វើ ខ្ញុំធ្វើ អ្នកធ្វើគាត់ធ្វើនាងធ្វើវាដំណើរការយើងធ្វើអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាធ្វើ
And.
ពួកគេធ្វើ
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, use the phrases in tiny daily moments, and come back tomorrow ready to do even more Khmer.